how to track your Whatnot order and delivery status. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to view the carrier tracking details. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So in the Whatnot application, we can open it up first. Basically, we can look out for a section called activity, usually a clock or list option or a heart. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, we'll be taken to this activity section and we can switch over to the purchase tab, which is the very first option. And here we'll be finding all of our orders. We can scroll through all of the orders available here that we want to track, and we'll be seeing order status at top, like preparing package, label created, shipped, delivered, etc. We also have in progress, completed, cancelled, etc. You can just go over and filter it out that way as well, and you can look out for the checking process for your order. And that's it. You can just go over and look out for it. Tracking your data may take from 24 to 48 hours to start updating after the label is created, but you can just go over and use it. An order ID and tracking number can be viewed and copied from the order details space. Handy if you need help from the support or the carrier, but usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.